Premier Bank Credit Card, Fees, APR and Credit Building. Premier Bank's credit card is aimed at people building or rebuilding credit. You can pre-qualify in under a minute with no impact on your credit score. For those with scores above 500, the unsecured card offers up to a $700 credit limit with no deposit, but fees add up quickly. Upfront program fees from $55 to $95, annual fees $50 to $125, and potential monthly fees up to $10.40. The APR is very high at 36%, making carried balances expensive. For those with lower or no credit, the secured card offers a $200 deposit with a $50 annual fee and a 19.9% APR, which is more manageable. Both cards report to major credit bureaus, helping responsible users improve their score. Credit limits may vary after 12 months of good use. While Premier Bank cards provide access for those rejected elsewhere, the unsecured option is costly and interest can spiral quickly. The secured card is a safer alternative for new credit builders. Overall, the cards are simple to use and convenient, but the high fees and APR mean careful management is essential. Paying in full each month is crucial to avoid financial strain, and the card should be used strategically as a credit building tool rather than a long-term solution. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.